Hey guys, it's me, Denise. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to have a unboxing! And yes, I'm so happy kasi it's my first official K-pop merch na natanggap, hindi natanggap, na kinulek ko, na binili ko. And that is the Red Velvet Lightstick because I'm a Rebel Love and I'm proud to say that I'm a Rebel Love. And yes, hindi ko talaga siya, pag labas ng Lightstick, hindi ako nag-hesitate na i-buy siya. So, bumili talaga ako. And yes, so without further ado, let's get started. Guys, for your information, I got my Lightstick online lang. So, nakuha ko siya, nabili ko siya sa Twitter, which is the @cosmiclatteph sa Twitter. Search niyo lang siya sa Twitter. And mura lang siya guys, kasi yun, mura lang. And nakuha ko siya kanina sa LBC, and I'm so happy. Pero matagal na itong dumating. As in, 4 days ago, 3 days ago, pinick up ko na lang siya sa LBC kanina. So, ito na. Yes. Kanina naka-plastic pa to and also bubble wrap. So, safe talaga yung Lightstick kasi naka-bubble wrap. And naka-carton pa siya. So, let's open it. Actually guys, na-open ko na siya kanina kasi hindi ako makapaghintay. I'm so excited. So, in-open ko na siya kanina. So, yun. Let's open. Guys. Wait. And also, guys, may pa-freebies is Cosmic Latte. May pa-picture siya. May pa-picture. Yun. Pero hindi ito official na merchandise. But, thank you, Cosmic Latte, for the freebies. So, guys, let's unbox. I'm so excited. I mean, it's so worth yung money. As in, worth the price. Yes, ito siya guys. Actually, wait. Here's... Wait lang. Dapat makita. Yun. Ito siya guys. Right? Namoye po. As in, super pretty niya. Worth it yung money. Oh my gosh. For my first official K-pop merchandise. Ito yun siya guys. Yun guys. Wait. Yun. RV. Red Velvet Sarange. I'm a rebel too guys. Wait. Actually guys, I have my audience here.
Hi.
Say hi! Mga audience ko yan sila. Supportive!
Hi.
So, yun to siya, guys. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Yun! The aesthetic. The po Lightstick. Yes, guys. As in, ang cute niya. As in. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito pala siya kalaki. I didn't expect that it's big. So, it's so pretty. You have here the mandu bong. This is the kimchi mandu bong. This is the kimchi mandu bong, kim manbung shi. So, dito at the center, we have here the RV. Also, guys, letters, right? So pretty. Ito siya, guys. And we have here my handle siya. Para, in case, for safety purposes, may band dito. Then, I will teach you how to, kung saan yung open niya. So, you have to battery na dito. And here, prepared. Yes. I'm so prepared for the Lightstick. Lagi handa, no? So, let's...
Ito-turn off ko na muna yung light para makita nyo talaga yung nice darling. 강수기 승승원 박수영 김예림 Red Velvet Blue 사랑해요. 이것도 gawa-gawa. Red Velvet 사랑해. Guys, magpapakita lang ko ng video kung paano magla-light ng Lightstick. Click first and then second. So, yeah. Para makita nyo din kung gaano kaganda talaga. As in, super aesthetically beautiful. What a beautiful Lightstick. Down this.
So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my unboxing video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified when I'm posting a video. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye. See you in my next one. Annyeong. Annyeong.